4x4 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one has a clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles. It's a 1992 Ford F-250 HD 4x4 regular cab XLT. A little over 182,000 miles on it. Does have the upgraded 460 or 7.5 liter underneath the hood. That would be paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, or I guess you consider it a 4-speed with the overdrive gear. We'll get into the interior and I'll kind of show you what I'm talking about there in just a bit. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front grille, bumper, headlight surrounds. Bright work looks good up front. Now, this truck was a Texas truck up till just a few years ago. Paint does show its age a little bit, but boy, looking down the lower rockers and around the wheel wells, appears to be a solid truck, and we'll get into that in just a bit. But looks like it had a bug shield on it once upon a time. Paint was a little thin and has been touched up. So there's just kind of some spots where the paint's been touched up, a little thin in areas, and I'll try to point out some of those examples as we walk around it. I'll also tell you where you can check out all the still pictures of this truck, underside, interior, engine bay, probably close to 100 pictures on our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you know, also call us 507-386-1726. Tires were put on a little over a year ago, so plenty of tread left on those, and you'll be able to see that in the still pics also. And then, like I was talking, Texas truck. Look around these wheel wells, lower rockers. Look at the underside of this door for an example. How many times do you see trucks from the Midwest look like that? And what appears to be a lot of original paint, because like I said, there's spots where it's thin and it's been touched up. You can kind of see there a little bit of a dinger in that door, and then touch up here. But considering age and miles, the truck still shows well and solid. Again, above the rear wheel wells, how many times do you see a Midwest truck and it's just gone back here? Do want to mention tint on the side glass and the rear window, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint you can have. Bed liner has been installed. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Catalytic converters in place on this one. In with the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the window sticker, so you know exactly how this car was equipped. It does have the preferred equipment group, which is AC, which I mentioned earlier, cruise control, power locks, power windows. And once again, check out all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. So we take a look down the driver's side. If you're into these 90s Fords, or maybe Ford trucks in general, 4x4s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The vehicles that are in the videos, when they're uploaded, are available to purchase, and the uploads are done daily. So when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them can be purchased online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. Take a look around the wheel well here on the driver's side too. The lower rockers all look solid. Now again, I mentioned there's spots where there's touch up here or there. There might be a little ding in the bright work or touch up in the paint. So paint's, again, not perfect, but still shows well. Appears to be a solid truck. Door panels. There's your power windows, power locks. You'd have Oxford white exterior, crystal blue cloth interior, tilt column, dual tanks, if you didn't notice, both fuel-filled doors right there. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll also take it for a spin so you can see it going down the highway. Here's what I was kind of talking about. If you want to call it a 5-speed or a 4-speed with overdrive, so manual transmission, ultimately a 5-speed, and you got an overdrive gear there besides. Again, AC blows cold. Heat also works. Pioneer aftermarket stereo. And let's go ahead and fire this up. not played around with the stereo. They're powered up, radio is on, stereo's working. It appears this truck was stored indoors, because take a look at that dash. Awful nice shape for the age. There's your exact miles, 182,152. And it appears we have some Bluetooth capabilities with that newer Pioneer stereo. Sounds like we got a little rumble out of this 460. Get an idea how it sounds. Let's slip up to the front. We'll check out this engine bay. Then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take this truck for a drive. Underside of the hood, and there it is. 7.5 liter V8. And power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. '92 Ford F-250 HD 4x4 regular cab XLT. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1992 Ford F-250 pickup truck. This is a 5-speed manual on the floor, 4-wheel drive capable. Nice truck. I'm a fan of these trucks from when trucks were still only as big as they needed to be. Visibility is good. Ergonomics are good. Nice power from this truck. Easy to shift. There we're in overdrive at 55 miles an hour. 1700 RPM. Not bad. Our gauges appear to all be working. The coolant temperature is just coming off a cold. Fuel gauge showing half a tank. The battery is charging above half. And the oil pressure is almost at half, which is all good. Factory tachometer also working well. Cruise control works on this truck. We have a Pioneer stereo in the dash. A little more bass than I expected. Sounds good. The AC is blowing cold. Very comfortable truck. Bench seat. Nice high position for great visibility. Factory looking seat. Getting cloth. This truck takes corners nicely, is easy to steer, and has good road manners. Letting go of the wheel, this truck stays in the lane just like it should. Nice looking headliner. A lot of things are in good condition on this truck. You're going to want to take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.